Okay, you hear the yelling already. I'm assuming that is the patient. Let's say it is the patient. That means open airway. Breathing is okay. Here we go. Moving on. Rom Killa. Nice wheelie, buddy. Oh, so very low speed, but it can still hurt your knees. So why is it that nobody is wearing full gear when they stunt? Write it in the comments why nobody wears full gear when they stunt. In fact, even better, go to the Discord that we have, the firefighter, or it's not fire, the firehouse Discord for D-Diff and crew members. We have a stunting safely room. I'd love to know, and I'd love to have some mentors in there that explains how to stunt safely, because this it doesn't make any sense. I don't have time to think about it and learn. Is it money? If it's money, then we have enough for crash cages. We have enough for like multiple brakes on one rotor. It's like, how do we not have money for gear? You know what I mean? It's like we have all these aftermarket parts. All right. Here we go, riding around interstate. Okay, now we got an open lane to us. We got this merge issue right there. There it is. Apply some brake pressure. Good job. And that's all you have to do. I wish I could talk more. I really wish I could talk more about this, but that was pretty much it. So here's the pattern, though. So what I was talking about. Right now, look at it. Pretty good pattern. Nothing is here. So we have no side-to-side issues. Nobody's going to hit us. We have a good space cushion between everybody. We can see. We're doing pretty good. We have a good position for safety. Now, things change. Okay, now we're getting closer and closer to this vehicle. Things have changed. Now, why is this vehicle right here closer to us now? It's because they're behind this big old freaking truck. The cement truck. So a cement truck is probably knocking off little pieces of cement. You're going to get cracked windshield. So, yeah, we're going to move back. So what the problem is, we're still behind this truck. We can't keep moving back until the truck leaves. Well, we're going to move back until we see a nice open spot to our left and just say, screw it, let's go. The problem is we're in the blind spot. The problem is we're motorcyclists and we're right in that spot and they didn't see us. So that's a big problem. But when we're a motorcyclist sitting in this nice open lane, big open lane right there, and we start to see a vehicle in our blind spot, and it's like, well, why are they in our blind spot? Because they're slowing down. Oh, more than likely going to come over. Sounds like it's a lot of information to kind of deal with when you're riding, but who here does this on the regular? And if it sounds like it's too much, write in the comments. If it sounds like it's too much, it might be too much for you right now, because maybe right now you're focused on where your hand should be. You're focused on your speed. You're looking at your mirrors constantly because you don't know how to do head checks. You don't want to do a head check. Maybe you're focused on where's the horn. Like where should I put things? And that right there is because you're focused on the motorcycle. You're not focused on road strategy yet. And you get focused on road strategy when this becomes a habit and this becomes automatic. And then you can focus up there with road strategy. So if you can't do this right now, where you can't pick out patterns or you can't see sides of the vehicles and all that stuff, and all you can do is this, then that's fine. That's fine. But try your best to get out of just focusing on this stuff. Try to get out of it and start focusing on everything else, because that's the stuff that will get you. So how do we practice that? How do we practice this stuff? Go to a parking lot. Practice your slow straight weave. Practice your U-turns, figure eights. Practice some turning. Go onto an easy road. Practice a little bit higher speeds, but don't go anything crazy with much traffic, and you'll be fine. Okay? You'll be fine. All right, Cosmic Trickster. Here we go. Riding through here. Just merged in. That person did not see you merge in. It's a non-issue. Just we're in a traffic area. Shit happens. You did a good job with your braking. All right, moving over here. Blind turn. Okay, now we have a vehicle in front. We got a merge issue to our left. They're going to take that merge issue. You're going to rev bomb, but get really close and dangerous. And you're looking behind you when you have traffic and a turn up ahead. So, problem with that. Let's go ahead and pause it. The problem with this one is that we're not focused on what's in front. We need to focus on what's in front. Okay, now we see that we have traffic in front of us. We should start to recognize that there's going to be now merging issues. We definitely have this person, this van's moving. They're not stopped. They're moving. And where can they go? They're going to go into our lane. So go ahead and roll off the throttle, let them in. Nope, we're not going to do that. We're going to rev bomb and maintain our speed and maintain now this very close distance for a very long time. Now, there is a car coming right there to the far right. So we're in a dangerous spot looking left. We're not even looking forward. So we're going to keep doing this. We're going to keep doing this in the middle of a turn. We got a turn coming up right here. We're going to do this again. And now we're kind of prepped and ready for this turn. It's just like so much bad could have happened. Got very lucky. And that's the problem is a lot of people think, oh, nothing bad's happened. I keep doing this. Nothing bad's happened yet. When you hear it's not about when, or it's not about if you crash, it's when you crash. I swear those people that say that are these people. It's not about when. You can go your whole life without crashing. It's not guaranteed you're gonna crash. It's not a when you do it or if you do it. These people can't be doing that. Right, smart. All right, lane filtering gone wrong. Okay. Why are we slowing down in a road that doesn't need to be slowed down? Maybe it's an intersection. I don't know. Oh, found an escape path. That's what it was. All right, so right here, we found an escape path. So you see the motorcycle rider right there with the brake lights. Probably white zoned and white staged out where they weren't paying attention. Last second, got to slam the brakes. Do as best of your progressive brake pressure as possible. We have a little child right here, so be very careful when you're riding with kids. Make sure they have full gear. It doesn't look like it, but, you know, it's just the way it is. So this person up front couldn't see it, couldn't stop in time, found the escape in between vehicles while applying the progressive brake pressure and was able to manage it. That's what you got to do. I think they zoned out. Completely zoned out. Zoned out, found an escape path. That's what that is. Hey, doesn't matter if it's ugly if it works, right? Now, here's the thing. We can learn from that. Don't go into white stage. Stay aware. Stay zoned in. Part of being a smart rider is acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment. So make sure you grab yourself a jacket just like this one from REVZILLA using the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It helps me out. No extra cost to you. Plus, it lets REVZILLA know that the DanDan crew is pretty badass and they actually grab some gear. Anyways, click that link. I'll see you soon. Here we go. Riding around Sir Chiefferson. All right, so around the corner, having a good time.
The result of the possible sleeping.
Oh, a little uncommon thing. Vehicle stopped. We have a motorcycle in there. Do we have to get our rescue kit? I hear yelling. Airway's open. Airway's open.
You guys got.
He's moving. He's got blood flow.
I don't even know what happened.
Pain. Okay, something's wrong.
Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt, bro? What happened?
Yep.
All right. I'm trying to slow down traffic.
Good.
Hey, we're gonna get authorities here right now.
Good. This is somebody rescuing another rider. This is somebody rescuing another rider. There's another person wanting to rescue another rider. This could be you. This could be you driving.
Broke his leg.
And you could rescue somebody. Take your rescue kit wherever you go, whether it's on the bike or in your car. Yeah, dark sprocket, exactly. Somebody needs to direct traffic here. It's a turn area. So this person is doing a good job. Wait, plenty of distance. Just start doing this. Slow it down when a vehicle comes.
Woo.
So this is what the person does.
Yeah, I'm gonna slow it down. Let's slow it down.
Good. So this person is, their job is now traffic control. And that's an important job. Because last thing I would want if I'm working on a patient is to get hit by another vehicle. Last thing my crew wants is me to get hit by another vehicle, or not another, to get hit by a vehicle. So him slowing that car down is, and being that uncommon thing is like, why is this guy doing this? It's going to at least get it into their head perception. Okay? It's going to at least let them perceive, what the heck is that? That is enough to snap them out of white stage and possibly go into yellow and then possibly go into orange. And then they're going to see the person on the ground like, oh, that's why he was doing that. So the fact that you initiated that stage change early as a traffic controller, very important, very important. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So this is how our day is going right here. So everybody, right here, this is how our day is going. We're having a good time riding around. This is a normal scenario where you're just kind of relaxing, right? Like we got a nice open view. We're going to ride. We got sun in our eyes, but that's fine. We have good body position. We're going to have a great time in the mountains. Nothing is going to be different today than it was every other day. Okay, maybe there is. So what we have here is we have multiple vehicles kind of stopped in the middle of the road. It's kind of weird. I see a headlight on the ground. Oh, uncommon thing in a common situation. I'm already orange stage going around this corner because it's a blind corner. You know, I take my turns in orange stage, so I'm prepped and ready for anything. So then, boom, I snapped onto this with my focal vision. Something's bad. I'm going to go ahead and remain calm.
See the result.
He's remaining calm. He's pulling off. He's ensuring his own safety.
Gravel.
The first two things on rescue. RE, remain calm, ensure your own safety, stop bleeding, quickly assess severity. This is the rescue kits. So what we could do here, this is a great video on traffic control. Okay, you hear the yelling already. I'm assuming that is the patient. Let's say it is the patient. That means open airway. Breathing is okay. That was a nice lungful of scream. They're okay then. So then we also have bleeding now. We can't see that. We're not close enough. We need to go check it. So I would only recommend you run is to get out of danger. So now we walk.
You guys got a phone?
Look at that. So on remain calm, on your card when you get it with the rescue kit, it says call 911 or tell someone to call 911. So this is your little cheat sheet that you got. Little cheat sheet.
You guys got a phone?
Hey, I don't even know what happened.
Okay, so this guy is calling 911. This is the patient screaming. This person doesn't know what they're doing. We don't know what's happening. So this is where you fall into your training. Do I do my assessment? Do we need scene security? Do we need to call 911? Do we need bleeding control? What is it that we need to do with the patient? So the main thing here, first, remain calm. Okay, we got that. Ensure your own safety. How do we ensure our own safety? Be off the road. So these guys are ensuring their safety. He's not so much because he's in pain. So what we can do is ask him, can you walk? Can you scoot over into the dirt? Okay, scoot over in the dirt. If you have the most training, medical training, and you have these people, they have no idea what they're doing other than call 911, what you can do is say, hey, go down, walk about 20, 30 steps, and just slow traffic down. You stay looking at the traffic, slow them down. We don't want anybody hitting us. Hey, you walk around the corner over here and you slow traffic down. We don't want anybody going hauling ass and then crashing into us. I want you to continue calling 911. I want you to let me know when you call 911 and that you got people on the way. Okay? Then what you do is you do your assessment. You handle stuff. You might have another person like this person come over here to help out. You start getting people to help out. The main thing is this person is going to secure the scene down where you'll see us doing it. And this person going to secure the scene up here where they're doing it around the corner. Now, if you don't have the most training, let's say this is your buddy and he's been through an accident scene management class. He watches me all the time. He's an EMT, he's a firefighter, whatever it is. They have medical training. Allow them to work on the patient. And it's okay for you to handle traffic. Everyone has a job. Everyone has a job on scene. And as long as you can complete that job, someone else doesn't have to think about it. So right here. This is a good.
Yo,
Airway's moving.
Where does it hurt, bro?
What happened?
Yep.
So I can't see his leg. Can't see his leg, but if his leg is broken, my only concern is any blood loss because the airway is doing good. And if his leg's broken, how is it broken? I don't think they picked up the bike and set it down over there. So more than likely low-sided, or at least fell off the bike. So maybe I'm thinking left leg. I'm thinking left leg. You see some scraping right here? So maybe he panic broke and then fell down.
Try to slow down
Could
traffic.
be. So that right there, trying to slow traffic, very good. So what he's doing with his hands, just doing this. That's it. That's all you have to do. So walk around the corner. So you see how this is a blind corner right here? Can't see anything over here. It's a blind corner. What you want to do is go around that blind corner and at least have a line of sight towards what's happening on scene, but then looking this way, doing this. So you can still see what's happening on scene. You're right around the corner, but you can see way down this way, and you're trying to slow down traffic. And what that's going to do, like I said during the initial, is that's going to be you instigating and starting a driver's perception and reaction.
Are you calling?
And then you have braking or swerving. So what you're doing is allowing the person to slow down quicker before they get to the scene, and then to actually slow down or stop. But if nobody is doing this, they're just going to keep hauling ass down this, and then as soon as they pass that corner, what's that? And then boom, hit somebody. So you want to be able to slow down traffic, or at least get them to be aware that something weird is happening, and that's not the norm, and it's going to allow them to slow down. So he's in a good spot. He's in a good spot. You see how he can still see? He can still see, and then he's going to do a quick look. So you can slow people down starting from here, and he can still see the incident. So if they need him to come back, like, hey, he's crashing or whatever.
Yeah, I'm gonna slow it down. I'm gonna slow it down.
There you go. So he's getting even better position. So this is very, very important. If this is all you can do, do this. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here, or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.